sounds of Decay 3 is the new Cannibal Corpse album, Chaos Horrific, which is in the top 10 Billboard album charts this week. Unbelievable. In a year flooded with a surplus of pandemic-stimulated music. I mean, really, it's always crazy this time of year, but it's like 30% more than normal in terms of just one album after another coming out. Anyway, the veteran outfits have shown quite the capacity to rise to the top. We talked about the Cavalera show. Their reissue of their early stuff is phenomenal.
Exhumed.
Right. Bands like Obituary and Dying Fetus have each dropped exceptionally strong albums this year. And now we can add Cannibal to the list. This one takes up where 2021's excellent Violence Unimagined left off. Chaos Horrific is 10 brutal slices of top-shelf, zero-filler death metal, packed with hard-charging riffs, colorful leads, and steamrolling drums that demonstrate that this long-standing moniker is still at the top of their game. The combination of Corpse Grinder's continued emphasis on woofy, low-end vocals and the guitar tandem of Rob Barrett and Eric Rutan prove once again to be key ingredients in this latest of several reinventions of this impressive band.
It is a cliche, I realize, but you were always about a minute away from a thrilling riff or a breakdown as this thing plays out. Take the Slayer-informed Crusher, summoned for sacrifice. Paul's mid-pace tom and double bass precision giving away to exciting bursts of speed, while Barrett Rutan deftly conjure melodic and even harmonized leads. Vengeful Invasion takes on a mathy, twisting melody, just technical enough to delight without crossing into tech death banality. Perhaps the disc's best example of Cannibal's 2023 sheer brutality is Frenzied Feeding, Paul tearing out of the blocks at ludicrous speed from the first beat, the band settling into a wicked slow groove at the track's midpoint, Corpse Grinder huffing, "Oh, come thee and gather, your hunger now calls, partake in devouring your kin," followed by the best guitar harmony on the record.
All right, so we're starting to get a little gushy, but you get the idea. Cannibal 2023 Deliver Again is everything we want in death metal without any leftover fat. There is just no substitute for experience. This is Summoned for Sacrifice.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.